Hi, my name is Dr. Dawn Eichen, and my favorite salad is the one that I can make quickly right before work. It starts out with a little pre-planning and preparing in advance. Typically on Sunday, we'll pull out my bagged lettuce. It's already washed, ready to go. I personally today have spinach, some cucumbers, tomatoes, and peppers. You put everything together into the containers and box them up, put them in the fridge until the morning you're ready to make step 2. Step 2, in the morning, I grab the pre-made salads and I add in the ingredients that I didn't want to put in to help them stay fresher and keep the salad from getting soggy. So I typically add in hummus and some cheese. You can add in some other proteins like chicken or tuna if you'd like, or an avocado, and then add in some dressing. And that's my favorite salad.